Every electric motorcycle begins with raw metal that must meet aerospace-level precision before a single part is forged.
Before aluminum can be shaped into a chassis, it must be heated with extreme thermal uniformity to prevent microscopic stress fractures.
With the metal softened, the first structural component of the motorcycle takes shape under tremendous force.
Once forged, each frame must cool slowly and evenly before technicians verify its internal grain structure for mechanical integrity.
The forged frame is strong, but only precision machining transforms it into a component capable of housing the motorcycle's mechanical systems.
Every forged frame must meet micron-level tolerances before it can support a high-torque electric drivetrain.
The battery bay demands weld precision so exact that even a millimeter of distortion could compromise structural integrity. The head tube is the motorcycle's steering anchor, and its reinforcement welds must withstand thousands of hours of road vibration. To restore full strength after welding, the chassis undergoes a T6 heat treatment cycle that realigns its internal grain structure.
After hardening, the surface is strengthened through shot peening, which improves fatigue resistance across the entire frame.
Only after the frame is structurally perfected can we machine the motor mounts that will carry the electric drivetrain's full torque load. Every threaded connection on the chassis must withstand road vibration, so each bolt hole is cut and validated with exact torque. To protect the chassis from corrosion and road wear, the frame receives a durable powder-coated layer applied with electrostatic precision. Inside the curing oven, heat transforms the powder into a hardened protective shell that bonds permanently with the metal.
The finished chassis must look perfect and measure even better, so every millimeter of coating is thoroughly checked. The front fork tubes must achieve near-perfect geometric precision to guarantee stable steering at every speed.
Inside each fork leg, a carefully tuned spring and damper system controls every millimeter of suspension travel. The swing arm forms the rear backbone of the motorcycle, demanding weld strength that can endure thousands of kilometers of stress. Once welded, the swing arm requires micron-accurate pivot machining to ensure smooth, frictionless rear suspension motion.
With the front and rear structural elements finished, the chassis finally comes together as a unified frame.
The electric motor begins as thin layers of silicon steel stacked with micron accuracy to guide magnetic flux flawlessly.
To carry high current with minimal loss, the stator is wound using solid copper hairpins, bent and inserted with robotic precision. Once the coils are set, hairpin ends are joined by high-energy laser pulses that create tiny yet flawless copper welds.
High-strength neodymium magnets are installed into the rotor with tolerances so tight that even slight imbalance could destabilize the motor. Before final assembly, each rotor is spun at high speed to eliminate micro-vibrations that could shorten the motor's life.
To protect the windings from vibration and heat, the stator is sealed with insulating varnish drawn deep into the coils under vacuum.
Once impregnated, each stator is baked at controlled temperature to lock the varnish into a solid protective layer.
The motor housing must be machined with extreme precision to ensure perfect bearing alignment and smooth, silent rotation.
Ceramic hybrid bearings are installed with controlled force to achieve frictionless rotation and long service life.
At this moment, the heart of the electric motor comes together as rotor and stator align with micron-level clearance.
The inverter's logic board is populated by precision machines capable of placing microscopic components at blistering speed.
Once populated, the board passes through a nitrogen-filled reflow oven that melts every joint into a flawless electrical connection. To deliver controlled acceleration, the inverter's MOSFET modules must be mounted with perfectly balanced thermal contact. The inverter's backbone is the DC link capacitor and copper bus bars that carry hundreds of amps with minimal resistance.
Because power electronics generate intense heat, each inverter is bonded to a liquid cooling plate that must seal perfectly.
The radiator, built from thin aluminum fins and tubes, is fused into a single leak-proof unit inside a high-temperature brazing furnace. Once the heat exchanger is complete, every coolant path is sealed with hoses engineered to withstand pressure and vibration.
The motorcycle's electrical backbone is formed by shielded high-voltage cables that must be routed with absolute consistency and safety. The powertrain comes alive when the motor and inverter are paired, forming a tightly synchronized unit capable of instant torque delivery.
Every high-voltage battery pack starts with thousands of individual cells that must pass strict electrical and structural checks. Cells are sorted into performance tiers, so each battery module contains perfectly matched energy characteristics.
Using high-current spot welds, individual cells are fused into modules capable of delivering extreme peak power.
Thermal interface materials are applied to help each module shed heat efficiently during aggressive riding.
A controlled compression process prevents cell expansion and ensures long-term structural integrity of the battery module. The battery management system controls cell balance and protection, acting as the brain of the entire pack.
Thin, precisely routed sensing wires allow the BMS to monitor every cell's voltage in real time.
To carry bursts of power, the pack's high-voltage bus bars must be aligned with flawless insulation clearance.
The pack is sealed with a multi-layer enclosure that protects it from vibration, moisture, and external impact.
Before installation, each pack must prove it can withstand pressure and high-voltage insulation stress without a single fault. With the pack sealed and tested, it is lowered into the chassis with millimeter-perfect alignment.
Before powering the motorcycle for the first time, technicians secure the high-voltage system using strict lockout protocols. The low-voltage harness connects sensors, lights, and electronics into a unified control network.
To prevent hotspots during heavy acceleration, the cooling loop is filled and purged of every last air bubble.
High-performance brakes are installed with strict torque and alignment control to ensure confident stopping at any speed.
The wheels begin with a precisely machined hub and axle assembly that must rotate smoothly under extreme road loads.
High-performance tires are mounted onto the rims with precision to ensure perfect bead seating and balance at high speed. Each wheel is spun at high speed to eliminate micro vibrations that could compromise handling and rider comfort.
Before the motorcycle touches the ground, its suspension is tuned to deliver the perfect balance between comfort and control.
To guarantee stability at speed, the steering head is aligned and torqued with absolute precision.
The motorcycle's intelligence comes online as the central control unit is mounted and connected to the system network. A high-resolution digital display is connected, providing the rider with speed, battery status, and real-time diagnostics. The throttle system is calibrated so the motor responds smoothly and predictably to even the smallest rider input.
Before any wheel touches the ground, the brake system is bled to remove every trace of air for consistent stopping power. LED headlights, taillights, and indicators are installed to deliver both efficiency and high visibility on the road.
Auxiliary systems such as the horn and environmental sensors are connected to complete the motorcycle's control network.
Safety systems ensure the motor cannot engage unless the kickstand is retracted, and all interlocks confirm safe operation.
For the first time, the motorcycle powers on, and all subsystems report their operational status.
The motorcycle's behavior is defined by firmware that maps acceleration, regenerative braking, and energy management.
Before final assembly, all electronics must synchronize flawlessly to ensure the motorcycle responds as a single cohesive machine.
With the electronics validated, the motorcycle receives its precision-fitted body panels that define its final silhouette. The rider's seat and rear cowl complete the motorcycle's form while concealing key electronic components beneath.
The final rider controls, mirrors, brake lever, and throttle housing are installed and aligned with ergonomic precision.
The motorcycle finally touches the ground as its wheels are mounted with precisely calibrated torque.
A comprehensive torque audit ensures every critical fastener meets exact specifications before dynamic testing begins.
Before the wheels roll,
The high-voltage system performs a controlled pre-charge to protect power electronics from inrush current.
The motorcycle's controls are tested under load to ensure smooth acceleration input and consistent braking force.
All lighting modules are activated and tested to confirm visibility, current draw, and timing synchronization.
Noise and vibration analysis ensures a quiet ride with minimal structural resonance at cruising speeds.
The powertrain is finally pushed to its limits on a roller dynamometer to validate torque, speed, and thermal performance.
Before delivery, the motorcycle must prove it can resist heavy rain and water immersion under real-world conditions.
Under continuous rainfall, the motorcycle's electrical system is stressed to confirm flawless insulation and communication stability.
A road load endurance rig simulates thousands of kilometers of riding to test frame stiffness and drivetrain durability.
Drop tests and shock simulations confirm that the chassis and electronics can survive harsh impacts and uneven terrain.
The motorcycle is exposed to extreme heat to ensure the cooling system can recover quickly under demanding conditions.
Brake components are cycled repeatedly until they reach critical temperature to validate fade resistance and structural integrity. Steering components are flex tested to ensure long-term rigidity and smooth rider feedback.
Technicians verify that the motorcycle fits a wide range of riders and that all controls move smoothly without interference.
Before final inspection, every surface is cleaned, polished, and checked for cosmetic perfection.
A final checklist confirms that every system, component, and parameter meets the factory's highest standards before release. The motorcycle undergoes a controlled charging cycle to validate the battery's performance, safety, and thermal behavior.
Cell balancing ensures every cell in the high-voltage pack remains synchronized for maximum range and longevity. The motorcycle's personality is set as riding modes, torque maps, and regenerative braking levels are programmed into the control unit.
With its new software, the motorcycle returns to the dynamometer to validate torque delivery and throttle response.
A multi-axis platform simulates real riding conditions, testing lean angles, pitch movement, and traction control behavior.
The pack is heated to near operational limits to verify that the cooling system reacts quickly and consistently.
Even an electric motorcycle has a unique acoustic fingerprint, so its sound profile is measured and recorded.
Critical systems must operate safely even under fault conditions, so every failsafe is triggered and verified.
The pack is heated to near operational limits to verify that the cooling system reacts quickly and consistently.
Even an electric motorcycle has a unique acoustic fingerprint, so its sound profile is measured and recorded. A high-intensity light tunnel reveals even the smallest cosmetic flaw before the motorcycle moves to final packing.
The motorcycle is secured into a protective shipping frame that ensures it arrives exactly as it left the factory floor.
With the motorcycle secured in its transport cradle, the crate is sealed to protect it through long-distance shipping.
Each crate receives a unique identifier, linking it to quality reports, torque logs, and firmware versions.
From the final inspection hall, each motorcycle is transferred onto export pallets for overseas shipment. Inside the shipping container, each crate is locked into position to prevent any movement during the journey. A tamper-proof seal closes the container, marking the official departure of each motorcycle from the factory. Loaded and sealed, the shipment begins its journey toward distribution centers across the world.
Once the shipment reaches the logistics hub, each crate is scanned and redirected to regional distributors.
At the dealership, technicians uncrate the motorcycle and prepare it for its first public reveal. Although it has passed factory QC, the motorcycle undergoes a second inspection to ensure flawless delivery condition. Before it reaches the showroom floor, the motorcycle receives its first full charge under dealer supervision. At last, the motorcycle takes its place on the showroom floor,
ready for customers to see it for the first time. Professional lighting highlights every detail as the motorcycle is photographed for catalogs and online listings.
A technician demonstrates the startup sequence, showcasing the motorcycle's quiet power and advanced electronics.
Customers explore the motorcycle, guided through performance features, range, and modern electric technology.
Before the first test ride, technicians verify tire pressure, brake feel, and system readiness one last time.
The motorcycle comes alive as it prepares for its very first real-world ride outside the showroom.
This is the future of riding, crafted with precision, powered by innovation, and ready for every journey ahead.
Its smooth acceleration and silent power define the new era of electric performance. The journey begins as the motorcycle takes its first meters under an East Asian male rider's control. As the sun sets, the motorcycle reflects the culmination of engineering, craftsmanship, and performance.